In today's video, I will walk you through how to connect Faire to Shopify. To get started, navigate to the left panel of your Shopify dashboard. Along the menu, locate the App section and click on it. This is where you can manage and add integrations to your Shopify store. Once you're inside the Apps section, use the search function to find Faire. Enter Faire into the search field and wait for the results to appear. When you see the Faire app in the search results, click on it to open its application page. On the app page, you'll find details about the integration. When you're ready to continue, click the Install button. This will begin the installation process for the Faire app. After selecting Install, follow the prompts that appear on your screen. Depending on your setup, you may be asked to verify your account during the installation process. Complete any required verification steps and continue until the installation is finished. Once the app has been installed, move on to the setup process provided by Faire. Follow the instructions presented within the app to connect your Shopify store and your Faire account. During this stage, you may be asked to grant permissions that allow the two platforms to communicate with one another. Continue through the setup screens and review the available configuration options. If the setup process requests specific settings, complete them as instructed. Take your time to work through each screen and make sure all required information is entered correctly. As you proceed, connect your Faire account with Shopify whenever prompted. This step ensures that the integration is established properly. Continue following the on-screen instructions until the connection process is complete. If there are additional settings available during setup, review them and apply any configurations required for your store. Some businesses may have different setup requirements, so follow the prompts that appear within the integration process. After completing all setup steps, confirm that the connection has been successfully established. Once the integration is finished, your Shopify store will be connected to Faire. At this point, the installation and connection process is complete. You have navigated to the Apps section, searched for Faire, opened the app page, installed the application, followed the setup process, granted any required permissions, connected your accounts, and completed the configuration steps. That's all there is to it. Your Shopify store is now connected to Faire. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.